Alright friends, now in this session we will learn how to use for loops with dictionaries. So you can use for loop to iterate over a dictionary. With this you can access key values and normal values. I mean key value pair, you can access both of them. So let's do it. I open for loop and then I can give any name, and after that I use in and I give my dictionary names. What's my dictionary names? Capitals. So after that I put comma and I print. I should be careful about indentation. So I give this name. If I run it, you see these are my key values: Germany, Canada and England. But this name should be logical. So I change it to country. This name are my key value. And then I just give it country. I run it. You see Germany, Canada and England. These are my key value. So if I want to print value in key value pair, what I need to do? I need to assign it to the variable. For example, I just give a name. What's my variable name? Is capital, and then after is equal to, I give my dictionary name is capitals, and then I open my square brackets, and then inside the square brackets I give country. If I print this capital, I run it, you see Berlin, Ottawa and London. Here, what's my first value? Is Germany. Capitals Germany gives Berlin. So I print Berlin. So it iterates over, and then country becomes Canada. So capitals Canada. What's this value? Ottawa. Capital is Ottawa. And then I print it. So for loop iterates over, and then country values becomes England. And capitals England. What's this value? It's London. So I print it. Here you see London appears on the screen. Super. So if I want to print both keys and values, what I need to do? I can print like that. Inside the print function, I can concatenate it. What's my key value is country. And then I put plus and capital. Between them, I can give a greater operator and it will look like better. I run it, you see Germany, Berlin, Canada, Ottawa and England, London. Okay, super. So in conclusion, looping over a dictionary gives you the key. So if you use this key, you can get the value. Here, capital is our value. Value of key value pair. And then you can print keys, values or both like here. This is very useful for processing structured data. See you in the next lesson.